like Zart, the elf off the shelf, brought a sequin surprise. Oh, look how cute. Wow, it looks like magic almost. Oh, whoa, look how cute the color changes. Wow, Zart, that was such a great gift. Oh, it's just like magic. Well, I'm gonna play with this some more. That was so sweet of Zart to give me this, wasn't it? Oh, such a cute little pet. I'm so excited. There's glitter and sequences. What in the world happened? Zart, what are you doing? Holding those scissors. Oh dear. Oh no! You cut open the toy. You chopped off his head and his little hands and his little legs. There's so much glitter inside of him. Oh boy. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna put all this glitter back inside of him. Oh, put on his little head. And then push his legs on. Poor little guy. Oh, Buddy's here too. Oh, thankfully he brought the cinnamon. Okay, let's see. Let's sprinkle some cinnamon. Okay, I think that should be enough. Do you think it's gonna fix the toy? Okay, I'm gonna come back in a little bit and I hope the cinnamon works. I'm so happy and I can't believe it. The cinnamon actually worked. It fixed the cutest toy ever. Look, his sequins even changed colors still. Oh, what a relief. I'm so excited. Wow. Boy, I can't believe Zart. I think he needs to go to jail. Comment down below what you think. I just feel bad for all the little elves and the cute little animals of the world. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.